Google Gemini is one of the most advanced AI. It is made by Google. In this video, you will see how to use Gemini AI. So let's begin. First, enter Google. Search by typing Gemini. First, enter the website that comes up. You can find an app from Play Store for Gemini. If you click on Try app, you can download this app. Enter a prompt here. Enter your requirement topic here. I am writing. Write an article about cat. You can see an article about cat. Upload image here. If you want, find the information you need. That is the amazing feature of Gemini. Gemini describes the picture very nicely. Hope you are enjoying the video. Thanks for watching.